More Claremore. I'm Zach Oliver. This is my crib.
What are you doing?
I'm doing the cribs, the MTV.
No.
Oh.
Let me show you how it's done.
Hey everyone, it's me, Ashley. Welcome to this special edition of Claremore Home. Coldwell Banker has been kind enough to sponsor this web series, and now they have moved into a new home or office space. And today, we are going to show it to you. Coldwell Banker Select in Claremore is no longer located at Neymar Center. Now they are south of town at the intersection of Highway 66 and Flint Road. It's also the home of the Oklahoma Real Estate Academy if you are interested in getting your real estate license. Coldwell Banker will be hosting an open house in their beautiful new office space on February 13th. Drinks, snacks, and plenty of real estate agents will be on hand in case you are in the market for buying or selling a home. This new space has a home-like feel that is comfortable and clean. We think Zach did all of the interior decorating himself, but really, that seems unlikely. If you are searching for a home in Rogers County or beyond, contact Coldwell Banker today. They have a full team that knows the area and can help you find that perfect dream home fit. Like Coldwell Banker Select Claremore on Facebook or visit them just off Highway 66 and Flint Road, located just behind the Tulsa Federal Credit Union. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more Claremore Home episodes each month. Hey Zach, that's how it's done.